All right, so this is a weird sequence of events. I'm going to be driving my friend's wide body Dodge Charger RT Pursuit. This thing is nice. So we have the 360 cam mounted. Bro, look at this thing. Wide body kit. It's a project car. It's you know, it still needs the paint, but Pursuit, you know, he's got the little light right there. A little dirty, but that's all right. My car is way dirtier. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get this video rolling. All right. We are in the Charger, folks. Straight pipe 5.7, bro. This is, dude, I wanted one so bad, bro, but obviously I got the Taurus show and I cannot do anything. There's a cop right there. It's all right though. I gotta let the engine warm up because last thing I need is for this thing to blow up. Get this engine warmed up. Dude, oh bro, why did I not get one, dude?
I don't know, you should have.
Hold on, let me kind of roll them down a bit. I'm gonna hit it right here. That is an insane sound, dude. Dude, even the shifts.
Isn't that nice?
Oh yeah, dude. This is so nice.
Very much needed that. Very much needed that.
Yeah.
You know how easy that was to turn it from, you know, just a mid muffler to like, it's so easy to put a resonator to
Right.
get that sound.
So this is a Pursuit Dodge 5.7, but he put a custom wide body kit on it. Obviously it's you know, it's a project car, but me personally, I like the mix match colors because it gives me like drift vibes. But yeah, dude, this thing's nice. I wanted an RT, but obviously I found a 2010, but then I think like the next day it sold and I was like upset. There's one for sale right now. It's a 2014, not too far away from where I live, and obviously I'm not gonna be able to get it because I already have a car. My parents are gonna be like, no. Perfect, dude. It's so smooth, bro. Oh, and I'm getting pulled over. All right. Yep. All right, we're driving calm, bro. We're driving calm. I mean, the cop was chill. He was just like, he's like, I get it, you know, nice car, but just chill out. So I was like, you know what, officer, you got it. But hey, if there's no cops around, you already know. I might do a little pull. It's a 5.7. I got to. Really?
Yeah.
But we're gonna go ahead and put her. Oh, do I have to be in park? In sport mode?
I don't know what happened. I don't know.
No, that's fine. Nice. That echo through the trees, dude. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, this thing's nice. I like this. Oh my, bro's trying to call while we're in the middle of making a vlog. Hold on.
Where can they be?
Dang. Dude, I'm like nervous. I'm like, bro, is every other car a cop car?
Is that a cop?
All right, one more. So good, dude. All right, last one, for real. Maybe one more into the tunnel. He definitely heard us. Give it a little revs. Dude, it sounds so sick, bro. So yeah, let's just say cops were not too happy about what happened. Thankfully, he was chill. He let me off with just a simple warning. So I think that's a sign of driving good for the rest of the night. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.